Imagine this, the day when humans first set foot on the red soil of Mars. The moment the hatch opens, and a single astronaut slowly presses his boot into Martian dust, it won't just be another step. It will be the greatest leap in human history, greater even than the moon landing. But what will really happen that day? Will everything go as planned? Or will Mars reveal dangers we've never faced before? Let's explore that day, moment by moment, through the lens of NASA's research. The journey to Mars isn't easy. It takes 6 to 9 months just to get there. And in that long voyage through deep space, astronauts will face relentless challenges, muscles weakening, bones losing strength, and constant radiation bombarding their bodies. NASA has already tested this in space. Remember astronaut Scott Kelly's year aboard the ISS? His body told us exactly how hard long-term spaceflight really is. Then comes the landing. Mars has an atmosphere only 1% as thick as Earth's. That means parachutes alone won't work. To touch down safely, astronauts will rely on powerful retropropulsion rockets, like the technology SpaceX is building with Starship. The world will watch live, holding its breath, as the spacecraft makes its final descent. And when the dust clears, history will change forever. The first step on Mars will be unforgettable. But after that moment of triumph, the real work begins. Oxygen has to be made on-site. NASA's MOXIE experiment already proved in 2021 that Martian air can be converted into breathable oxygen. Shelters will be built with thick walls, or even underground, to shield from deadly radiation. And water? Hidden below the surface as frozen ice, waiting to be extracted for drinking, farming, and even rocket fuel. Life on Mars will feel strangely familiar and completely alien at the same time. A day there lasts 24.6 hours, almost the same as Earth. But the skies glow pink, the soil is red, and outside those habitats, survival lasts only minutes. Astronauts will try to grow food in greenhouses, building the first farms on another world. Every sunrise will bring new hope, and every sunset, new dangers. Because Mars isn't safe. Massive dust storms can rage for weeks, blacking out the sun. Gravity is only 38% of Earth's, slowly weakening human bodies. And then there's the unknown. What if microscopic Martian life exists? What if it isn't safe? At first, missions will last just 30 or 40 days. Then, as technology grows, bases will rise like research stations in Antarctica. And one day, Martian cities may shine beneath that alien sky. It won't be easy. It will take decades of sacrifice, innovation, and courage. But when it happens, humanity will no longer be bound to one planet. So when that first astronaut steps onto Mars, it won't just be a scientific achievement. It will be the beginning of a new chapter in the story of us all. We will no longer be prisoners of Earth, we'll be a spacefaring civilization. The question isn't if we'll land on Mars. The question is when. And maybe, just maybe, it will happen in our lifetime.